How to make a paper towel castle? Recycling has never been so creative and simple. New worlds can be explored, creatures created, and races won simply with the help of a paper towel roll. It's a fish, it's a castle, it's a race car, it's a paper towel roll. Turn trash into treasures for hours on end using an item as simple as a paper towel roll. There are always a few lying around the house, so why not recycle while creating with this unimaginably fun DIY? To create your first fin friend, start by cutting a towel roll in half, rounding one end and cutting 2 notches in the other end. Form the tail fin by tucking the cut ends into the body of the roll. Paint and add googly eyes to bring your creature to life. Place a small dot of hot glue under one of the lips and secure a small magnet. Attach a paper clip to a string for some fishing fun. Beginning with 2 halves of a towel roll, wrap each piece separately in construction paper. This will be the base of the binoculars. Decorate with washi tape to create the desired look. Attach both halves together with a strip of hot glue. To create a neck strap, begin by poking 2 small holes into the outer sides of the roll. Insert string into the holes and fasten with a knot. Play lookout for your new kingdom or imagine you are on a safari. After having a paper towel roll, wrap 1/2 in construction paper to create a base coat of paint for your race car. Next, using a sharp blade, cut a square into the top of the car. Make 2 small cuts on each end of the paper towel roll. These should correspond to where the tires will be placed. Using the end of the roll as a stencil, trace and cut out 2 small circles to cap off the ends of the car. Secure these pieces to the paper towel roll with a small amount of hot glue. Decorate as desired. To create wheels for your race car, cut out small black paper circles and attach to the car body with metal brads. Separate the paper towel roll into 2 and 3-inch segments. Once the pieces have been cut from the roll, shape the individual pieces into hearts, flower petals, etc. Dip the DIY stamps into paint and stamp away. Create your own wrapping paper, greeting cards, or simply a unique work of art. The possibilities are endless. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe.